beginning of Monday. Today is the day that I'm going to be talking about AI tool and basically how AI tool works. As you can elevate your content creation game. They have a built-in VO3 AI tool that you can use if you sign up with their subscription monthly plan. But it's basically going to help you to create different AI videos within the AI tool space here. Or you can manually upload them from your own after you already, you know, created the AI video on your own outside of the platform. So the way this works is AI tool transform the way you publish AI generative videos, making the entire process seamless, intuitive, and incredibly efficient. Whether you are turning written text into something compelling visuals, or um, converting videos into dynamic video content, AI tool simplifies every step. With just a few clicks, you can bring your creative ideas to life and share them with the world. No expertise or technical experience required. Just your imagination and let your content worldwide in your mind and reach a global audience. So it's three simple steps to publish your AI videos. You can sign in with ease. So you can use your Google account just like you would if you was on YouTube for a quick and seamless login experience. You can customize your channel, update your profile picture and channel name to reflect your brand, and then you can upload your masterpiece when you created it from using the AI tools that's built within AI tool with the monthly subscription, like I said, or you can do it outside of it. There is different AI tools that you can use: VO3, Whisk, Google Studio AI. There's so many different AI tools right now on the market that you can create your AI videos and then upload them. Upload your AI generated videos and add a title, description, or the prompt use to create it and share it. So you learn a lot. Go ahead and create your channel. Um, they're still probably working out the kinks of that. Um, Hopefully that works soon. But while we're looking at that, so basically the AI tool, they're gonna get started with accepting people in the next few weeks. So you might want to start creating batch content, and then you can just go ahead and automatically upload it once you follow those steps that I showed you earlier. But to get into the AI tool creator monetization program, um, you do have to create original AI videos, so it's got to be unique. It can't be something that's stolen from someone else. And they tell you all of the guidelines. So you got to have at least a verified. You got to have a verified email and phone number. You got to complete your profile, bio, and profile picture. Your account has to be in good standing. No major violations in the past 90 days. Minimum of 10 published AI generated videos. Content must comply with our community guidelines and copyright policy. And at least 80% of the videos must be original AI generated content. Then your audience and activity requirements, you have to have a minimum of 500 subscribers or followers, at least 1,000 total views, which is not much. These are really lower requirements than YouTube, so that's pretty nice. And then you have at least one video per week consistently for the past 60 days. So they're really lowering their requirements to get into this, and that's really good. We always need something that's, you know, easier than YouTube so more people can get about it. But the thing about this website, a lot of people don't know about it. So from what I've seen on the homepage, like it doesn't generate a lot of views. So it's going to take you about a year or so, probably, if that, if you're lucky. If you have a big following already, you can bring the traffic over to them. It does. I don't know if they're counting outside of traffic that, or you have to actually have a loyal face within the AI tool space here. I'm assuming it's going to have to be within the platform because they want people to be on this platform. So you know, they want you to have an account and all that and be verified. So if you bring outside traffic, it might look a little bit suspicious. But other than that, have a great day.